Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock Excel file. Are you ready? So let's get started. I have an Excel file on my desktop, so I'm going to open, so it will be opened. Very easy, and it doesn't have any password. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to lock Excel file on Mac OS. Very easy. Open your Excel file and click on file, click on Excel file, and once you should click on file, choose password, as you can see here, password, and give password. I'm going to give password. Okay, and repeat the password, and okay, click on OK. Re-enter the password. Okay, okay, and yes, yeah, the password. So that's it. Close the file. Yes, save it. Okay, and as you can see, it has lock. And now if you want to open the file, click on open. It requires password. It asks me to enter my password, so I'm going to type my password, and again, and okay. See, very easy and simple. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and I will be very happy to help you out with it. See you in the next video.